toy. Get a toy. Go get a toy. Get a toy. Are you going to get a toy? No? You're just going to collect my hats and gloves? Yes, that's what you have. You have Mama's glove. Can you bring it here, please? Sky. Can you bring it here? Bring me the glove. Come on. Sky. Give. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Will you go get a toy? Get a toy. Yeah. You're a troublemaker. Go get a toy. Get a toy. Look at all those toys over there. Yeah, go get those.